Hello guys, welcome back to SKS Technical Life.
I'm coming with the three more solution of the one of the error. So previously I done two solution of the error, and in this video I will give you three more solution of this error. Okay, so let me first show you the previous videos that what I created and what the solution I already gave you. In the previous video I give the one of the solution of this error, and the second I recorded completely the solution of that error in this video. Okay, so if you are not visited these videos, so please visit these videos and watch. Maybe you will get the solution in this two videos. Okay, if not, then you have to watch this video till end, so that maybe you get the solution. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting our time. I directly give you give the solution because all the explanation I already explained in the previous two videos. So let me directly give you the show you the error and then directly show you the solutions one by one, the three solutions. Okay, so let me open my VS Code first, and you will see this. That's my main file, and let me run this file first. Npm start. So you will see this error is coming. Okay, so now the two solution I already given in the previous two videos. Now I am giving a three more solution. Okay, so first let me show you the first solution of this error. You can do you can change your MongoDB URL. Okay, sometime it's come because of the MongoDB URL where you seen this line, that is srv something. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to just change your MongoDB URL connection URL. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just go on your MongoDB Atlas, and here you have to open your project. So I already opened my project, that is Get Ready by AI Interview. This is my project where I get this error, and I solved by this thing. What I am doing now, just click on this connection connect, and here you will see the driver. You have to just click on this driver button, and you will see the connection string. This is the connection string where is written a srv plus srv. So we are using the string which is not contain this srv. So for that, you have to do what, you have to just toggle this srv connection string. Okay, so just off this and you will get this type of string. Okay, this connection string. So you have to just copy this string, and you have to paste in your MongoDB in your .env file. Okay, where you are provide the this MongoDB URL, and here you have to change your username and the password of that DB. Now you have to copy and paste in your .env file. You will see this is my .env file. Here let me paste this connection string. Okay, so now what I have to do, or what you have to do also, here you have to change your username and password, which you already get from the when you are created the project in the MongoDB. So let me replace these things. Okay, so you will see this blur type effect because I filled all the details, so I blur it. So now what I have to do and what you have to do, just you have to simply run your project. So let me show you. Okay, so let me stop the server first, and again run npm start, and here you will see my MongoDB is connected now successfully. Okay, so this is the one of the solution of this error. In this video I already told you I will give you the three solutions. So first solution is this, by changing our MongoDB connection string. Now move to the next solution. So for that solution, let me rechange again my .env file MongoDB URL. Now we are running our project with previous URL which contain the MongoDB plus srv. Okay, so let me do first. So yes, you will see here the now I am change this MongoDB URL from the previous URL just by Control Z. That's the MongoDB plus srv. Or if you are forget it, so don't worry, you have to just go again the on MongoDB MongoDB database of your project, and then again you have to click on the connect, and here you will just toggle this srv. Okay, and you will get this plus srv connection string. Okay, now what you have to do, just copy paste in the .env file. Now I will give you the next solution of this error. So for this, let me move to my main file, that is server.js. Now you will see, let me run my project by npm start run. Yes, you will see I again get that error because of the change of that string, because I am using the previous string again. Okay, connection MongoDB connection string. So now for that, what you have to do, just you have to copy paste the code that I write here. Okay, let me I will write here a 3 lines of code. You have to just copy paste in your code similarly, and then you have to run the project. You will definitely get the solution. I mean, you will definitely your project is definitely run. So let me just copy paste first. So for that, let me move here. I already here copied these commands over the code lines. So just we have to just import DNS from the node colon DNS, and then this DNS dot set default and set services. So you have to just copy paste and write these commands, okay, you these codes, and save these commands. And now what you have to do, just run your project. So let me stop the terminal and clean the terminal. Okay, now let me run the project again. So here you will see, yes, here you will see the Mongo database connected successfully. Okay, and server is already running, also running. So this is the second solution of the problem. Now move to the third solution, but this third solution is not running in my system. It may be runs in your system. In my system, it's not running because of maybe some internal error. So let me show you the solution. Let me explain the solution. What you have to do, you have to just doing same thing, and maybe you get the solution. And maybe in next video or after some time, I will solve my internal error, and then I will show you the perfect complete video with the error and with the solution of this error with this third solution. Okay, but in this video, let me show you how to do. Okay, and in next video, I will show you completely and run my project as it is, as that third solution. Okay, so for what you have to do first let me comment out these lines, so that just remove it. Okay, no problem. Okay, then let me stop the server and restart. Here you will see I again got this error. So for this, let me give you the third solution. You have to just follow it, and you have to again run the project. Maybe you get the solution. If not, please comment me below. I will definitely try to give my best, and I definitely give you the solution. So for the third solution of this error, what you have to do, just you have to go to your control panel. So here you search the control panel and open the control panel, and after that you will see, scroll down, and you will see the network and services option. Okay, network and sharing center. Okay, here you have to click, and here you will see the 4 options. You have to click this change adapter settings. Click on this change adapter setting, and you will see the Wi-Fi or the any internet source through which you connected your laptop, or you taking an internet. So just you have to right click on that and click on this properties option. After that, you will see this type of pop-up. So you have to just scroll down, and you will see this internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. You have to click on this, and here you will see the properties option. After clicking on this, you have to click on this properties option, and you will see this page. What you have to do here, maybe you in your system already selected this opt-in DNS server address automatically. So what you have to do, just you have to click on this, use the following DNS service server address. Okay, so click on this, and you have to fill here a 8 space 8 space 8 space 8 8.8.8, and in the next that is alternate DNS services. Here you have to enter 1:1:1. Okay, and then you have to click just OK. Then what you have to do, just click close and cross this, and you have to just all this close, and you have to restart your terminal. Okay, so for this you have to just restart your terminal, and again you have to run your project. Maybe your project will be run successfully and MongoDB will be connected, but in my case it's not running because there is some internal error in my laptop, so that I am not getting the solution. But this third solution may be run in your system, but if not, maybe your project will be already run by the previous 2 solution that I gave you. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you are not getting the solution, don't worry, you have to search more and don't give up and keep coding. And if this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friends, and thank you and have a nice day.